Top of the morning, traders. Beginning of the new week. It is Monday, and I'm expecting a bit of consolidation today. And I don't normally scalp on Mondays, so I'll just be trying to set up any swing trades that come my way. Just start the week up. Last night, before I went to bed, I went short the New Zealand USD, and it has a nice risk-reward trade. We'll see if it plans out. We can see that the pair had come off a little bit from this the trend line on the top at 84.70, and you can see that the pair has been in a bit of a wedge lately. So I went short, I think at 0.8456, and I'm looking for a move down to 84 and then 83.20, basically just playing the wedge. So I'm risking about 35 pips, trying to make about 150 pips, so it's not a bad risk reward. It's not bad, and that's a trade I'll take every time. Next pair we're going to look at is the euro, just because you can see this pair has come off about 100 pips overnight since the open, just letting out a little of that steam from the move over the weekend. What we're going to watch is, you can see, look for a break of the lows from the end of last week, about at 80, let's say 135.40. If we get a break of that, we could go down to 135 and test this support zone here between 135 and 134.82. And that'll be the only interesting thing I'll be watching for in this pair today. But it might be a little more spent to the downside after moving down so much overnight. The Great Britain Pound USD not having the same kind of bounce as the Euro USD, but you can see that the pair has found a little bit of traction right here at the lows around 156.75, let's say. So we'll see what happens there. But if it does fall lower, we have support starting here at the 0.382 at 156.60, and I would look for any push up towards specifically 158.20 to be to find possible sellers. If we break above that, though, we could be back in that range between 159 and 160. The Aussie hasn't done too much. It's still in that consolidation zone. I wouldn't be too interested in trading this pair at the moment while it is figuring out which way it wants to go. I'm just going to say support's up here at 105 and resistance is down around the 50 fib at 105.75, damn 105.50. New Zealand we already shot through. The CAD is actually pretty interesting. It's trying to find a little bit of traction in this bull bear zone that we've talked about before between 99.43 and 99.70. Let's just see what kind of price action we get there. If we get a solid bounce from there, we could cycle back up to 1.0040 and then followed by 101. Break below, we're back in this bottom range here. You can see right here, and first level of support is be 98.80, followed by this the larger trend line around 98.25. The yen, hey, didn't go up last night as much as normal, but it did create a new high. So we're still going to be watching this 0.382 fib at 93.36. This pair just wants to keep going up, and that's a fib level, obviously, from the big move we talked about, from 120 down to whatever it was to like 60 that occurred, a multi-year move. So this is a significant level, and we could see sellers coming there. And the euro JPY, same thing, a little bit consolidated. Didn't manage to continue higher up towards 127 over the weekend, last night. So we can watch the 125 level for a possible support and resistance up at 120. Well, I guess resistance would be up the high here at let's just say 127. So between 127 and 125. All right, everybody, good luck trading, and keep your head on a swivel. Remember to keep your trades keen and to play it safe.